Hello, this is once again Jacob Pillas responding to the argument of Michael Sim, Philip Peer, and Professor Ripley's POS 294 class. I would like to begin by acknowledging the strength of his argument, and emphasize the fact that we agree on many different things, but it is in the second half of the argument where we kind of reached our discourse. You stated that the overall usage of the bombs was not totally necessary. I then asked what would be the better solution. How would the war end? Even before the use of the bombs, the American Air Force leveled 67 entire cities, including Tokyo, with firebombing. A fate never done to Germany. America used harsher tactics against the Japanese simply because they're not white, which could be reaffirmed by looking at the notorious wartime propaganda. Again, I question what could be done. You suggest showing a video of a bomb, but would that really force a nation who had already been starved and devastated to really surrender? After the bombing of Hiroshima, Japanese generals were still unwilling to surrender. What was the loss of one more city when 67 had already been leveled? It is a time like this that is necessary to see the role in reverse. If the Japanese army had dominated the Pacific War and the territory of Hawaii had been captured and the American mainland bombed and devastated, and to show a video of a large, huge bomb, would that really force an American surrender? I doubt it. Now we look back at what Japan was, another highly nationalistic and patriotic country. Showing just a video of the devastation to come would not fully work. We must also acknowledge that the actual videos of the atomic attack were not shown for nearly decades after, to preserve the American way, I suppose, to falsify exactly what kind of horrors occurred there. The war would surely continue despite showing a video of the weapon. The weapon was an unfortunate only solution. As I stated in my own video, I wish there could have been another way. Any other solution would not have worked as well. It was disturbing. The results were more horrifying than we could ever imagine. The carnage was unimaginable. So I pose one final question. If Truman had ordered the invasion of the Japanese mainland, and millions upon millions of Americans, Soviets, and Japanese people would died, and the world figured out what the war could have been stopped with just 2 bombs, what would have happened?